Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have yet another Front Door Fashion. Yes, that's 2 Front Door Fashions this month. And that's because my very generous mother-in-law gave me a gift card to Front Door Fashion for my birthday. And even after paying for that skirt, I still have a little bit money left over, and of course it's burning a hole in my pocket. So I immediately asked my stylist for another box. Now, I follow Front Door Fashion on Instagram, and I saw them, they constantly put things showing their new arrivals, and I saw denim jumpsuits. And a denim jumpsuit is on my wish list. I think they're fun and different, and I've been trying several different kinds on and just never had any luck. She said to me, this one's $169, is that okay? I said, yes, because my budget is $100 per item. But because I have the gift card, I was willing to do a little splurge. Plus, this is a full, complete look, not, a single item particularly. So she sent it along. She says, do you want me to size up? Because it does run small. I said, yes, definitely size up. And boy, thank goodness she did, because this is skin tight on me, even a size up. And this is not going to work out for me. And I'll tell you in a minute, and before I get into details, let me jump back and talk to you a little bit about Front Door Fashion. Front Door Fashion is a high-end styling service that it is not a subscription service. You have to kick off a box. They charge you a $100 fee for this box, and they're sending you curated outfits, full outfits for you to try of expensive name brands that start at $100 and above. So I have no issue putting that $100 down to begin with. It's completely refundable if you don't keep anything. If you do keep anything, that $100 does get applied to whatever you keep from that box. They do have rewards, like if you leave reviews, or you get a referral, they will credit your account and you can buy more things with that. So far I've gotten 1 perk and 1 referral. Feel free to use my referral link down below, but just keep aware that, it's their inventory that they have, and their inventory is around $100 per item. So it is a pretty high-end service, and I usually don't get this many boxes, but like I said, I got the gift card, so I asked for one. All right, so let's jump into this. This is by Good American. It is the Fit for Success jumpsuit in blue, in a size small. Thank goodness she sized up, because it's pretty skin tight here around my tummy area. And it's $169, which, if that's what you're gonna be paying in Nordstrom's and etc., all the other stores. So I'll stand back and you can take a look. You can see, hopefully, that the length is actually very good on me. I'm only 5'2", but my length is in my legs. The problem here is in the bodice of the jumpsuit. There's all this extra fabric right down here, which doesn't make it look very attractive. And on top, it's pretty snug here across my hips and lower tummy, which is my widest part of my body. So unfortunately, this is not gonna work out for me. If it was taller and a little bit thinner, it would. Stretch me up 2 inches, this would look perfect. But due to my size, it just isn't gonna work for me. So that is unfortunate. If this fit fantastic, I definitely would have kept it, but it looks pretty awful on me because of all this extra fabric right down here. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. I was in such a rush to get this jumpsuit off, I didn't tell you anything about it. So it does have the 2 flap here pockets in front that do snap and are working. It has a zipper enclosure inside with this overlay here. And it does have a snap here at the waist and then a zipper on the bottom. And it does have these adjustable tabs here on the side if you need more room, but it's already on the more room for me. So this is obviously not gonna work out. And I don't believe I showed you the back, but there are 2 patch pockets in the back. So I'm sorry I was in such a rush to take that one off and didn't fully show you. Up next, and I'll try and do a better job of displaying this outfit. All right, so I got 3 pieces on. The first is my Vince Camuto button front cardigan in Latte Heather, extra small for $99. Let's see if I can find what the material on this is. This is 57% cotton, 28% acrylic, 15% polyester. It is machine wash, cold, gentle cycle. Very soft sweater. It did come with the sleeves rolled up, which for me I think is good. I think I would also push them up on top of that. And it does have the tortoiseshell buttons all the way down the front, which I do like. Underneath, she has on this, let's see what this is. I did tell her that I do like this style. And this is definitely my style, as well as the jumpsuit. This is the Michael Stars Lino mock neck tank in black, no size. So it's like one size fits all for $72. Now, would I pay $72 for this? No, because it is just a black mock neck. Now, I would like mock neck, either thin gauge sweater or knit like this. I have a black already that I got from Loft. All right, so I don't need a black one, but I do need ivory. I need white. She did send a gray one in another outfit, so that's a possibility. And yeah, she sent this one in black. This one, again, it's by Michael Stars. It is a 42% nylon and 58% cotton, okay? So yeah, it's a sleeveless mock neck, definitely my style. I told her I like these, and I am looking for some neutral colors, but more in the lighter shades, not the black. So I'm definitely not gonna keep this mock neck. The sweater, while I like it, let me stand back so you can see where the sweater comes to me. It is really long. I have a tan camel dress jacket from White House Black Market, which I think is a great substitute for this outfit versus just wearing this cardigan. So I'm gonna pass on the cardigan because I have that no duplicates rule, and it is a very similar look. So the cardigan is gonna be a pass as well too, even though I like it. All right, I like the material, I like the way it feels. Even the length, even though it's very long on me, I'd have to look back at the footage. I don't think it's a bad long, because I think these slits in the side help it to not overwhelm me so much. But I would also look back at the footage myself to make sure. So the next item that I have on, as you might have guessed, is this skirt. This skirt is by Liverpool. It's the 5-pocket 22.5-inch denim mint skirt, size 0, for $79. Well, that's not a bad price for Liverpool, $79. I do like this skirt, and I don't have any skirts this length. All my skirts tend to be shorter, like mini length versus this midi length. I might consider this skirt and keep it because I don't have anything like it in my wardrobe, and I know this length is more on trend, and I would have to look back at the footage to make sure it's an okay length for me, but I think it is. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This skirt is a possibility because I could feel a little bit more modern and on trend in this skirt. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next outfit. Okay, so up next is this turtleneck sweater by 1520 in the color magenta, size extra small, $143. Let's see if I can find the material of this sweater for you. It is dry clean only, 52% recycled polyester, 38% acrylic, 8% wool, 2% spandex. It's soft. I don't feel the wool at all, but obviously you can see it is enormous and just shapeless on me. So I will not be keeping this sweater, not only for that reason, but I also have quite a bit of color sweaters in this kind of magenta color. So I have different variations, not necessarily a turtleneck like this one. As you can see, it is a full turtleneck, but it is just, you know, it's similar to what I own already in color, and it's just enormous on me. I do want to point out that it has the stitching here on the sleeves, like it was like sewn inside out, like on purpose. All right. Looks like a drop shoulder as well too, and it's just huge. So no to this sweater, it's just shapeless on me. With it, she paired these Hudson jeans, which are the Remy high-rise 30-inch straight. Color is called Canal, size 25, which is my normal size, $195. Holy smokes. Now, I cannot justify $200 jeans, just can't. Even with my gift card, I just can't. I'll buy a pair maybe on sale for like 120 maybe, 130 if I really love them, but 195, I can't do it, even with the gift card. I do like these jeans, and they do fit well. So they're your typical 5-pocket styling. They have the raw hem here at the bottom. I don't think the back is doing me any favors particularly, so I don't think I would keep these jeans otherwise, especially for the price tag. But other than that, they do fit well. They're not tight. The rise is actually good for me. I have to say everything else about these jeans do fit. It's just, I don't think they're $195 jeans for me. Alrighty, so noted this outfit, but I'm really thinking I want that denim skirt. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on some of the other items. Okay, so I have the same jeans on, the Hudson jeans, and I failed to mention to you what they were made out of. So these are 78% cotton, 21% lyocell, and 1% elastane. With it, she also suggested to pair this top. This top is by Vince Camuto. It's the puff sleeve knit top. The color is a resting red, extra small, $69. So this is 98 polyester, 2% spandex, but I guess it does feel like polyester, but it's not like a blousey material. It's more, well, they're calling it knit. It's kind of like a crepey polyester because it is textured. I'll come closer so you can see that. But it's thin and not scratchy and not blousey. So this kind of fits in my current lifestyle. It does have the banded here on the arm that makes it like poofy. It does have the crew neck, and I specifically asked her, I'm looking for more reds and not like a sweater at this point. I'm looking for red that I can bring into the spring. And I'm also looking for like light blue and light pink, pastel colors to add to my wardrobe. And one thing I didn't tell her that I'm also looking for, I did not tell her this, is a pair of taupe pants, which I might be getting into in my things that I'll be looking for in 2024. So this is a maybe. I have to think about this. You guys let me know, is this special enough to keep? It is $69, Vince Camuto. It's just one of those things. I'm also going to look online too to see if I can find it cheaper, or maybe hold out if it comes up cheaper on Macy's or something like that. Because I'm not sure if this would be one of those things that I regret sending back like I did the Vince Camuto skirt. So if most of you know, I sent that Vince Camuto skirt back the first time, and then I kind of regret it, had remorse, and then I asked for it again. And I think that's why I'm going to keep the denim skirt this time, because I kind of liked it, and I don't have anything in that length. But now I'm wondering about this top too. Should I keep this top because I'm going to regret it or not? All right, give me your thoughts in the comments below, and of course I'm going to do my due diligence and do some research too on these items. All right, give me a minute, and I'll try on the next pieces for you. Okay, up next is something that she suggested: the gray straight leg jeans, the granite mock neck top, and the crystal chain earrings, and layer this outfit with a moto jacket, which of course I do have. So let's discuss the denim first. These are the Liverpool denim Sadie high rise 32-inch straight jean in the color Meteorite, size 25 for $79. Really, again, not a bad price at all. I didn't think Liverpool had jeans this cheap. These are nowhere near a high rise, all right? Keep in mind, I'm petite. Usually a mid-rise or high rise comes to my belly button. This comes below my belly button. So I guess there's an error on these. I don't know what, but they're not high rise. I already own gray jeans, and they are high rise. If these were maybe a lighter gray, I might consider it, but they're very similar to the gray jeans and the faded black jeans that I own already. They are a little bit long on me, as to be expected, but I would probably wear taller shoes or possibly just cuff it under. Nobody would notice the difference. But I will not be keeping these. I do not like the rise on these. Okay, so yeah, the Liverpool prices I think are actually very reasonable. I don't ever think I've seen Liverpool jeans for $79. $98 is usually what they go for. But alas, I am not going to keep these. Let's discuss the earrings next. These are a FrontDoorFashion accessory. They're the crystal chain earrings in gold for $30. They're okay, I like earrings, don't get me wrong, I like earrings, but I don't keep things unless they actually spark joy or completely make an outfit. And while I do like these, and this definitely would make a cute little dinner outfit out, I'm not going to keep them because they're just not that exciting to me, if that makes sense. They're okay. They're okay, but to me they're not Carolyn keep. All right, next up, I'm going to discuss the Michael Stars mock neck, which is just like the other one. It does have some shimmer to it, which I do like, but I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a stain on this one, all right? I put it on and I looked in the mirror and I went, huh? Yep, that's a stain. So for that, I'm not going to keep this. It is one size, just like the other. It's the Lino mock neck in granite. One size, $72. And I mean, I have kept a Michael Stars top for that much, but to me, it's a lot for what it is. And this particular one is, because it's one size, it's very clingy, and you can see all my rolls sticking out back here, and that's just not really a good look. So this is going to be a no, plus the stain too. So unfortunately, no to this outfit. If I didn't already own gray jeans, I might consider these, but again, it's as a low rise. I think it's kind of odd, and it's definitely not a high rise at all. So yeah, no to these as well too. Let me tell you the material for this top so we make sure. The top is 42% nylon and 58% cotton, and it is made in the USA, and that's partly the reason why Michael Stars is so expensive. All right, I have one last outfit to try on, so give me a minute. Okay, up next, unfortunately, is a top I cannot show you. It is way too tight on me. I tried to get it on. I couldn't pull it over my chest. It was skin tight on my arms. So rather me forcing myself into it, which I know I'm not going to keep, I'll just show it to you. This is the Susanna Monaco crew neck mesh top in black, size extra small, $158. For that price, I wouldn't keep it. Another reason why I wouldn't keep it is because the whole cuteness of it is the mesh top, and it's then not bra friendly. You see my bra underneath it. So then I would have to wear a strapless bra. You know, if it were an all mesh top, then I can justify like wearing a cami underneath. But when it's just up here, you kind of need that strapless bra anyway. It is extremely tight. Let's see if I can find out what the material is. A lot of spandex and I would say nylon. Let's see. It is 90% nylon, 10% spandex, and skin tight on me, even with all that spandex. So this is a no. It'd be a cute date night top. Now, I did ask my stylist for a pair of black pants that did not look like work pants, and unfortunately, in my opinion, she sent work pants. All right, now these fit me well. I do like them, and I have on the red Vince Camuto top that I'm considering with these pants. So the pants that she sent, let's see. These are by Vince Camuto. They're the tailored high-rise 27-inch cut pant, size 0, black, $109. They look like work pants to me, and I have plenty of black work pants like this. So, you know, they have the cuff at the bottom. They're a perfect length. They fit perfect. If I was in need of black work pants, I'd be hopping all over these, but I really don't need black work pants. I would like black pants, but more something casual. I was thinking maybe something satin, you know, something with a cargo pocket, something with a little bit of edge that isn't denim, but isn't a work pant. And these are just kind of a work pant, and I just don't have a need for these in my life at this time. So the only thing I'm considering keeping out of this thing is the skirt and possibly this top. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I think she did a great job, and there were just some fit issues on certain things. And it's just, I have so many clothes, and it's like, what do I need? All right. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you're interested in getting a front door fashion, consider using my link below or using another YouTuber's link. It saves you off. It saves $50 off of your first box, $50 off of mine. Keep in mind, they give you that, it's a $100 deposit, but that's fully refundable if you don't find anything in the box. Take care. Till next time.